Hello everyone, this is Neha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a review of my storybooks presented by Disney. Point to be noted, this is not a sponsored video and all the products are purchased by me. So let's see what I have for you today. My busy books by Disney are based on the various famous Disney movies like Incredibles, Finding Nemo, Finding Dory, Puppies, Toy Story, Frozen, and many more. Each story kit or activity kit comes with an engaging storybook which has some lovely, big, broad, colorful illustrations. At the end of the story, you have two compartments. The first one carries the story mat, and the other compartment carries 12 figurines, and each of the figurines support the story. Now this is the big story mat spread out in front of you. It basically has 4 important phases of the story in the form of bright illustrations. The only problem that I had with the story mat that it is printed on a nice thick glossy paper, but at the end of the day it is paper and will definitely rip if you have children using it. So I have found a way that you can protect the story mat. All you need is a thick sellotape and cut a strip and then fix it to the ends out here. So this way the story mat will be protected and there will be no rips. Now talking about the figurines which come in the box, you have 12 multiples of the 2 main characters in the story, Dory and Nemo. The material used is not very plasticky, very strong, and the size is absolutely apt. The most important thing is all the characters of the figurines actually resemble the characters in the movie. So the child can actually relate the movie to the figurines. You can also ask your child to retell the story in their own words or using their own imagination by changing the sequence in which the characters appear in the story or the sequence of the different scenes. Now just giving you a close-up. This is the first scene, the second, the third and the fourth. But of course you can just use half of it. The only problem are these creases which are due to the folding of the story mat. But using a towel over this and a strong steam iron should remove the creases. By igniting a child's imagination for storytelling, retelling a story, story sequencing, visualization prompts, the language used in these stories are extremely easy and at the beginner's level. A definite must try. This is how easily the entire story mat gets folded into a very concise size to be fitted in the box. And then you have the 12 figurines. There are various different themes available, and the best part that I liked that the size of the figurines are apt and with all the basic elements of the story to support it. So do I really support this activity kit? I would say I would give it a 7 on 10. My only problem was with the paperish story mat. Otherwise, I love the figurines and the fact that you have the entire storytelling concept in one kit. And since most of these stories or the Disney movies are so famous, like Incredibles, Frozen, you can bring cinema right into your bedroom or your children's room. So do have a look. I will be including all the relevant links in the description box below. So happy learning and see you in my next video.